Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The main purpose of test automation is to identify software errors and repair them before a project moves on to another phase or reaches the end user. A successful test automation process takes less time and produces software that behaves and delivers functionality as intended. 1. Having a dedicated team. 2. Having the right tools. 3. Having a dedicated budget. 4. Implementing a strong testing framework. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.